Welcome to Hot or Not Topic 2.0. I'm Shay, and if you're ready for a fresh take on the world's trending news, you're in the right place. We break down the biggest stories, what's hot, what's not, and everything in between. Whether it's politics, pop culture, tech, or social issues, we bring you the facts, the opinions, and a little humor to keep things interesting. Here at Hot or Not Topic 2.0, we do more than just report the news. We explore the stories that matter most to you. We keep it simple, straight, and to the point while making sure you're always entertained. Plus, you'll get a little dash of lighthearted humor, because let's face it, news doesn't always have to be boring, right? We're not just talking at you, we're talking with you. We want your opinions, your thoughts, and your reactions. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Welcome to the conversation. This is Hot or Not Topic 2.0, where the news is always fresh, and you're always part of it.